Our universe is constantly expanding, stretching further into the unknown with every passing second. This relentless growth makes it incredibly difficult to determine the true limits or size of the cosmos. But thanks to the groundbreaking James Webb Space Telescope, we now have a clearer view into the most distant corners of space than ever before. Since the James Webb Telescope began its journey, scientists, like the brilliant Brian Cox, have revealed astonishing truths about the universe's sheer scale. Within the small portion of the universe that we can currently observe, there are an estimated 2 trillion galaxies. And this is just the observable part. Most experts agree that what we can see is only a tiny fraction of a possibly infinite universe. We are not separate from this universe, we are a part of it. In fact, we are a way through which the universe becomes aware of itself. Through tools like the James Webb Telescope, we have launched ourselves into a vast journey of cosmic discovery. Now imagine traveling at 70 miles per hour. At that speed, you could circle the Earth in about 15 days. It would take you 5 months to reach the Moon and 63 years to reach Mars at its closest point. Neptune, the outermost planet, would take 4,400 years to reach. These numbers help us begin to understand the immense size of just our solar system. To really appreciate the scale, think of Voyager 1. It was launched in 1977 at a speed of 38,000 miles per hour. Even moving that fast, it took 35 years to leave the solar system, and it's still not close to another star. Even light, which can circle Earth 7 times in a second, seems slow when faced with the distances of deep space. And beyond our solar system lies the Milky Way, home to around 300 billion stars. Most of those stars likely have planets. The closest star system to us, Alpha Centauri, is 4.3 light-years away. Traveling at light speed, it would still take 4.3 years to reach it. But if Voyager 1 were headed that way, it would take around 70,000 years to get there. Now imagine looking at Voltaire Rouge, a star located 640 light-years away. The light you see from it tonight actually began its journey 640 years ago, long before the modern world as we know it existed. That ancient light has crossed the cosmos for centuries to reach us. As for our own signals, radio waves, television broadcasts, and digital transmissions, they've been traveling through space for just over 100 years. So far, they've reached only around 15,000 nearby star systems, which is barely a speck when compared to the 300 billion stars in our galaxy alone. To visualize this scale, imagine shrinking the entire solar system down to the size of a quarter. The Milky Way, in comparison, would be the size of the entire continental United States. Within this immense galaxy, we're just one of billions of star systems drifting through space. But even the Milky Way is only one galaxy among many. In fact, there are at least 1 trillion galaxies in the known universe. To understand what 1 trillion means, picture 1,000 cats. Now imagine 1,000 groups of those cats, each with 1,000 more. That's 1 million cats. Now multiply that million by another million, that's 1 trillion. And that's how many galaxies might exist. Our closest galactic neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy, is about 2.5 million light-years away. It's moving toward us at an incredible speed, and in a few billion years, it will collide with the Milky Way. But even during this galactic collision, stars are so far apart that very few, if any, will actually collide. That's how much empty space exists between them. Galaxies themselves form massive structures. Our Milky Way belongs to a group of galaxies called the Local Group. This is part of the Virgo cluster, which contains over 1,500 galaxies. And Virgo is part of the even larger Laniakea supercluster, home to about 100,000 galaxies. And all of this, still just a part of the observable universe. Astronomers estimate that there are at least 10 million such superclusters across the cosmos. Beyond them lie cosmic voids, huge, almost empty regions of space stretching hundreds of millions of light-years across. And connecting everything are cosmic filaments, threads of dust, gas, and dark matter forming a vast web that binds the universe together. This cosmic web is where galaxies form, evolve, and interact. It's where massive stars die in violent supernovae, seeding space with the elements of life. It's where black holes twist space and time, and quasars shine brighter than entire galaxies. But even with all we can observe, there's more we may never see. Light from the most distant galaxies may never reach us. The universe is expanding so quickly that many regions are moving away faster than light can travel. These areas will forever remain beyond our grasp. Some scientists estimate the universe is at least 250 times larger than what we can observe. Others argue it may be truly infinite. Either way, it's clear that our place in the cosmos is both humbling and magnificent. So the next time you look up at the stars, remember, you're looking into the past, across unfathomable distances. You're witnessing the light of ancient worlds, and you're a part of something far bigger than we can ever fully comprehend. Thanks for watching. If this journey inspired you, leave a comment, like the video, and subscribe for more cosmic content. The universe is calling, and we're just beginning to understand its voice.